Hi, writers. Welcome to our first session in Bend 2. Today we're going to talk about how writers collaborate to come up with ideas for essays. So today, as a class, we're going to work together to help you come up with some ideas for our new essays. But first, let's take a look at where we were in Bend 1. In Bend 1, we wrote pieces about each kindness, and we worked on finding evidence to match a big idea. In Bend 2, we're going to focus on a read aloud from earlier this year, Indian Shoes, that we just re-listened to. But this time, instead of just working on finding your evidence to match a big idea, you're going to get to create some of the big ideas on your own. So this is what you need to know today, writers. Writers often collaborate to come up with ideas about character traits, which is going to be a part of our focus today, character chains, and lessons characters learn. Essayists, that's you, choose an idea they can support with strong evidence. So let me show you. Writers come up with big, bold ideas by thinking about character traits, character changes, and lessons learned. Today, we're going to focus on character traits. So here's our book, Indian Shoes. I want to think about Grandfather Half Moon, and I want to remember what he was like as a character. One way I would describe him is homesick, and another way I would describe him is being a storyteller. Now I want you to try. Come up with 2 or even 3 big, bold ideas about your story, Indian Shoes. And I want you to focus on thinking about character traits for Ray. In your writer's notebook, you will see you have a spot on page 26 to jot these down. Ray is blank, Ray is blank, Ray is blank. Go ahead and pause and do that, and when you're ready, come back and hit play. Welcome back, friends. So here were a couple that I came up with for Ray. Ray is thoughtful, Ray is creative. Now the next big step. You need to go find at least 2 pieces of text evidence that support your idea. So you do have a link to go back to the text from Indian Shoes, so you can go back and look through it. This is really the heart of our lesson today. We are just planning and looking for evidence. We are not creating a flash draft today. So I need you to go back and look for those pieces of evidence. And I want you to think about using boxes and bullets to help you. So here's my example, Ray is thoughtful. So I'm going to ask that you pick a different example. My box and my bullets. In the beginning, he notices Grandpa Half Moon is homesick. In the middle, he tries to use his money to buy Grandpa moccasins, and in the end, he trades his shoes for the moccasins. So here was my big, bold idea, and I actually found 3 pieces of evidence that supported it. In your writer's notebook, you'll see that we gave you a spot on page 27 to do just that. Boxes and bullets, and you can also just jot this on a sticky note. And it's a really great tool to use when you're reading and thinking about writing a literary essay at the end. All right, writers, so your job today, I can plan for a literary essay about a character of my choice. I know I'm successful when I create a big, bold opinion about a character, I identify 1 piece of proof of my opinion and explain it, and I give another piece of proof and explain it. So head on out, pick one of your big, bold ideas, and go find that proof. Let's get this all planned out so that in our next session, you can write some great essays. Good luck, writers. Off you go.